Welcome to Cosplay Kitchen. Today I'm cosplaying the Swedish chef and we are making Swedish pancakes. So hop on in, join the party, and let's get started. Today we're going to be making our Swedish pancakes in a blender. So first thing we're going to start off with is our milk. Adding in our 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Then to that we're going to be adding in a touch of sugar, some flour, and a little bit of salt. We can be blending this all together. Now you don't want to be blending it any more than necessary because you don't want to be adding in any of that gluten. You don't want to create that. You want these to be nice and tender. So blend until just mixed. Now we need to go ahead and let our batter rest so that way the flour can absorb all that moisture. Also, we can release some of those bubbles. So now we wait. So there you have it, Swedish pancakes, just like Dad used to make. The Swedish pancakes are a little bit eggier than crepes. Serve it with lingonberries and powdered sugar. Oh, that's good. So if you had a good time today, be sure to throw up a like. Maybe even consider subscribing. In the meantime, don't eat yellow snow. Now if you excuse me, I need to spend some time alone with these.